Hello friends, welcome back to your channel. Today in this video I am showing that the 3 hidden features in your WhatsApp application. And there is no need to download any third-party application in your device. These all features is completely available on your WhatsApp application. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to our video. Feature number 1. How to hide your online and offline statistics from others. First of all, open your WhatsApp application in your device. And in the WhatsApp you can see a 3 dots in the top of your WhatsApp application. Select the 3 dots and go to WhatsApp settings, and you can see this like a page. And after that, account, you want to select account and go to privacy in your account, and here is the option like this, last seen. And if you select it to everyone can see when you are offline and when you have last seen in your WhatsApp application. After that, you can make it to nobody. If you make it to nobody, no one can see when you have last opened your WhatsApp application or when you are in online. And our feature number 1 has been completely finished. And feature number 2, how to hide your profile pics or DP in your WhatsApp from others. Once again, you want to go to settings and accounts and privacy, and here is the option profile photo. You want to select profile photo, and here are 3 options like this, my contacts, nobody, everyone. You want to select nobody or you can select my contacts. If you select my contacts, only your contacts can see your DP in your WhatsApp application. And if you select nobody, no one can see your DP. I am selecting nobody. And after that, nobody can see your profile pic also. And our last and final feature is how to send voice message without any mistakes, or you can check mistakes in your voice message without deleting your voice or sending the video. First of all, open one of your contacts which you want to send the voice message, and click the microphone option in your WhatsApp or voice messenger and enable it to or make it to lock. And after locking the voice message recording, you want to select back option in your device. After clicking back, once again you want to go the contacts which you have recently recorded the voice messages. In this time you can see a different type of a text bar like this, delete, play and send. If you play this voice message, you can hear all of the recordings which you have recorded or you want to send. After, you can click send or delete. If you want to send, click send. And our final feature also completely done. And if you have any doubts, please comment on our comment box, and if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video.